Cristina, maybe walk over to our 3D
Sure.
image wall. And a lot of numbers there, obviously, a lot of percentages, but if you could maybe just break it down for us.
Okay. So here you can appreciate different genes associated with hereditary breast cancer. So here we have BRCA1 and 2 that we've been talking about so much. You can appreciate that these are high-risk genes for breast cancer. So like we were discussing earlier, the probability and risk for breast cancer, there's different estimates depending on when these numbers were, where these numbers are sourced from. We know that we believe it's closer to about 70%, but they're high-risk genes. There's other high-risk genes. For this other gene, PTEN, is associated with other features, so it's more syndromic. It's associated with a condition called Cowden syndrome. And then many of these genes over here are what we call moderate risk genes. Or no, some of the other moderate risk genes are missing here, but some high to moderate risk genes. So that's so we can appreciate that there are many genes associated with breast cancer that are not just BRCA.
And I noticed the BRCA and BRCA2 obviously are the highest numbers there.
That's correct. So there's also a condition missing. If you see there, TP53 is associated with an increased risk of breast cancer as well, typically in young women. So, you know, if anybody's diagnosed with breast cancer at an early age, early 30s, 20 years or so, you know, we're suspicious for that as well.